Oh, one thing that I should, Chief called and said, "This is it." What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to get notifications for every time that I post, go ahead and click that bell. So I've been seeing this trend or this challenge going around YouTube for a minute now, and I thought it was very cool, very interesting, different, you know, and I wanted to try it out myself. As you can tell by the title, today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using only Dollar Tree makeup. So I got a few things, anywhere from, I got foundation, concealer. Well, they didn't have a huge selection of things to choose from, so I just got what I could get and what I thought that it would work. And also another thing is with the shades of foundation and like contour and stuff like that, they didn't have like a large selection. All of their foundations and whatever was all light. This, for example, was literally the darkest shade that I could find. I know that my skin isn't that dark, but comparing this to the other ones, this is the best one that I could find for myself. So that's what I'm going to be using. So this is the Sassy Plus Chic Moisturizing Foundation in the color Dark 1. I'm not sure if there's like a dark 2, dark 3, you know, but this is the only one that they have, so I just got it. And also, they didn't have any like beauty blenders or anything, and since I wanted to use all makeup and brushes and tools and everything only from Dollar Tree, I went ahead and got these cosmetic wedges in alternative to the beauty blender. I also have a mirror here and a mirror over here. So if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. So I'm just gonna start off applying all of this all over my face. And by the way, I did start off washing my face, so I had a clean canvas. Hopefully this doesn't settle into my skin quickly and I have enough time to blend it out. Now the next thing that I'm gonna use is this LA Colors contour stick in the shade medium. Also, for the lighter portion of my contour, I'm going to be using this, the same one, but in the color light. Now we're going to work on my eyebrows using this Color Mate brow and eyeliner pencil in the color black brown. One thing that I don't have, and that that they didn't have in the Dollar Tree or came with anything, was a spoolie. Excuse me. So I am going to be using one of my own, but that's the only thing that I'll be using outside of this Dollar Tree challenge. This is like really pigmented for $1. It doesn't really match my eyebrows completely, but it's doing something. I don't know, this looks kind of like really dark for me. I did buy this little angled brush by Wet n Wild, so I am going to use that and take some of the product off of the light concealer and use that to, like, you know, I have to like get in this weird position since I'm like right-handed. Oh, one thing that I should have taken this angled brush and put the product on it and then went ahead and did my eyebrows. I'm sitting here looking for the thing and it's right in my hand. The next thing that I bought were these two little mini Morphe palettes. They're like Morphe wannabe palettes. I don't know. But it's the LA Colors I Love Makeup Pocket Eye Palette. Now they did come in two color schemes. The first one is Daring Smoky and then the second one is Diva Glam. So in the Diva Glam palette, I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm going to do that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be going into this Daring Smoky palette, and I'm going to be using this like brownish gray blackish color. I'm going to like try to go light with it and see what it does or how it looks on. I'm going to be blending that into my crease. Now, I'm not really sure where I'm going with this look. I'm gonna try putting this little shimmery color here on my lid, my inner lid. And this is coming from the Daring Smoky. Next thing I'm gonna be using is this LA Colors pressed powder in the shade Beige. I'm gonna try to use this as a setting powder to, bake. I'm gonna take this little kabuki brush that I bought and just brush off this powder. So I went ahead and put on the lashes off camera because these bad boys were a struggle to put on. They are so big and dramatic, literally, like I can't even see like what's above them. Next, I'm going to be applying this LA Colors highlighter stick to the bridge of my nose. I'm sorry, like Chief called and said, "This is it." I honestly thought this makeup was gonna turn out way different. I didn't think that it would be this, decent. In total, everything, including the brushes, the foundation, the eyeshadow, lipstick, liners, brow, everything was under $20 or made like at $20. This is very budgeted. So if you wanted to do this, not necessarily this look, but use the products, I would say go for it. Because, I know not everybody has money to spend $50 on an eyeshadow palette or $40 on foundation or $30 on lipstick, So, I mean, this is, if you know how to work it, if you know what you're doing and it looks good, I don't see why not. Okay guys, so we have reached to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not. Like the video, comment. Also, if you have any other ideas of different kinds of videos you'd like for me to do, go ahead and comment that as well. And I will see you guys in my next one.